This viral cloud couch just got better. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this 70-inch boneless couch. Now this couch comes in all different colors like dark gray, light gray, beige, black, and this beautiful green right here that I had to try out. Now a couple things that I love about this couch is it does come with 2 pillows and these are super fluffy, super padded as you can see here. So those provide a ton of support when you're sitting on this couch and just hanging out. Now this material has like a corduroy fabric on here, super soft, and it's actually pretty easy to clean. All I got to do is run like a light handheld vacuum on this thing and it comes right up. Not to mention that it's super soft and skin friendly. And it actually is pretty breathable too when I'm sitting on this couch and maybe I have a little bit of back sweat. It holds up well and it keeps its amazing great shape. Now when these style of couches first came out, they definitely had to take some time to evolve to get a little bit better, and I can honestly say that this one's probably at the peak and definitely has all the features that you're gonna want to have, and I'm gonna tell you about those in this video. Now whenever you get this package, it's gonna show up in one box. That's gonna make this super convenient, so all you got to do is carry this to the spot that you want to open it up. Maybe use a friend because it is a little bit heavy because all this is wound up in one little box. And then the pillows, you kind of just want to fluff them up, and then these will end up taking shape, but you can see how fluffy that is already. So now usually you wanna wait about 48 to 72 hours for this to totally take shape, which it already has been very close to doing so, and I'm gonna check back with you later. But be careful, open this up, and as you can see, it takes shape very easily, quickly. No wrinkles, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. Now this is gonna be in multiple pieces, so both of these are gonna be separate from each other, so you're gonna be able to shape this into a whole different kind of ways, and you can actually do this in about 5 different ways, which I'm going to show you in this video, so make sure that you stay tuned. Now let's get into some of the features that they've updated on this model to make this a game changer. So starting off, we have an amazing love seat that is 70 inches wide, definitely enough for 2 people to be totally comfortable. Now let's take a look at these armrests. As you can see here, they have a nice taper design, and why I love that is because it definitely contours your arm in the way that you sit on the couch. It just feels a lot better than the old style that has like a boxier look here. So it kind of like digs into you a little bit, even though it is a high density foam. Now this one does not do that because it has that curvature and it's so much more comfortable to actually hang out on this couch and rest. And the top of this is still wide enough where you can put a laptop or maybe even like a drink. There are a couple attachments you can put on the sides of these to hold some stuff, and I kind of like that. Now over here on the side, this does come with support going all the way throughout, and there is going to be a support like this on the side here, over here, and then also a couple more on the back to keep this nice and stable, because whenever you're sitting on this, you can lean into this, and since it's a separate piece, the old style could fall off, but with these supports, it's going to keep it locked in place, so you're going to be able to remain comfortable the whole time. Now, another upgrade that I love is going to be these straps right here, because I actually have another couch that doesn't have these straps, and these like to come out and kind of slide away over time, and they'll kind of just like pop out. But with these straps, it's going to lock it into place perfectly, keeping you nice and comfortable on your couch the whole time. Now let me pull this out and show you, because on this side we also have the same thing, but with this all connected, it actually makes it a lot easier to move it around. And as we can see on the back here, we do have 2 pieces as well, so when you are leaning back on the couch, this is not going to fall off. You can see me absolutely pulling this and it's staying together. And like I said, it makes it so much easier to actually just move this couch. I'm just kicking it into place. It's all connected. So let me show you the 5 different ways that you could actually put this couch to make it so comfortable, starting off with this as number 1. And starting off with this being my favorite setup, guys. You can actually just take this and move it so easily and quickly, still having all of this connected so it keeps it as good support, and you can just lay down, hang out, watch Netflix, and with this flat surface in the middle, it has a ton of room to put snacks and drinks and make this such an awesome hangout for a movie night, Netflix, or just relaxing and taking a nap. It's basically just a day bed, and it also makes it perfect if you have someone staying over for the night. This is definitely an extra bed that would be super comfortable. This would probably be the bed that I would take first dibs on. And another option is to make this into 2 separate beds. So if you have multiple guests staying over, all you have to do is just separate them. Keep that person over here, I'm over here, and you're gonna have plenty of space to hang out, chill out, and sleep. This right here is another one of my favorite setups because you can actually make these into double beds, but they're facing each other. So it's cool for multiple different reasons, and you can use this especially for studying. So if you have this in like a college dorm or something like that, you could just have a study partner here, study partner there, have all your materials in the middle, and you can kind of look at each other and hang out. I actually like doing this with my wife because we could both be sitting there with our laptops, we could see each other and we can still work. You can also just use this for a hangout, throw some snacks in the middle and have a good time. And this right here is the last one. This is set up in 4 different sections, so you can actually have 4 different separate areas for people to hang out. Also good for sleepovers and just having a good time hanging out on the cloud couch. But overall, the fact that this is so versatile to change into 5 different ways is amazing. And that right there is how easy and quick you can move this around to all these different styles. If you're looking for a cloud couch, I highly recommend this one. It has all of the new upgrades that are going to be perfect for a cloud couch like this to make it more practical for you. Very comfortable, super stylish looking. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.